guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my kitchen. I am making black beans, and the way I do them, I kind of prep them so they're good for burritos, tacos, and even like salad bowls that I like to have throughout the week. So this is a really good meal prep item if you're, looking to make a quick batch and then have it throughout the week. Or you can make a big batch and store it in your fridge and then take it out as you need it. Obviously, you know the benefits of having beans and the disadvantages, I guess. But they're high in protein, low in carbs. They're really, really good for you. So let's get started. I love, love, love making these beans. Now, before I get started, I wanna say I am not going to run through my ingredients like I've done previously. I think these ingredients are self-explanatory. There's no specific brand you need or anything like that. So just use what you have. But if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section and I will be sure to answer it for you. But other than that, I think it's pretty straightforward. So let's get started. I have put my pan to heat on medium and I'm just using some cooking oil. You can use olive oil if you want. And I give it about 2 to 3 spoons in there and I let it start to heat up. I like to grind some pepper into the oil. As you can see, it's already starting to sizzle, which is perfect. I'm going to add in a spoon of cumin seeds, maybe even a little bit more, and give that a nice mix. As those are cooking, I'm going to add in some coriander. Turn down the heat a little bit, it's too hot. I'm adding in some jalapeno. Give that a good mix. And I'm adding about half a spoon of ginger. As you temper the spices, you're going to notice it's going to smell really good. And then I'm adding in some diced tomatoes. To boost your immunity, turmeric is amazing and so is ginger, so it's great to add it into foods, and adding it a little bit, you're not really going to taste it, but it's going to be good for you. So I am adding about half a spoon of turmeric as well. And right into that, I'm going to add in tomato sauce. You can use enchilada sauce, you can use pasta sauce, it honestly doesn't matter. I don't add in that much, so it's not going to overpower the flavor. You're just going to really enjoy that tangy, tomatoey taste. Right when I do that, the spices stop tempering. So now this is a great time for me to really make sure that the sourness from the tomato paste is going to dissipate. So I just let that cook. I don't really do anything. I just let it sit there and cook on its own. So while that's cooking, I'm going to add in all the spices I want to add in. So I like adding in black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning. This is optional, but I like it in here. So I add in about that much. I throw in some Chipotle powder, and I'm using the one from Badia. It's the Chipotle powder. That's all that was in there, but that's good enough. I'm going to add in a spoon of red chili powder, or you can use paprika if red chili powder is too much. And I'm going to add in salt, about a dash of salt. Maybe more than a dash. You guys will tell me in the comments if I eat too much salt. And then I give the mixture a good mix. And this is when I would add my beans. So it totally depends on whatever you want to use for your beans. I am using black beans today, and I'm going to just pop them in here. I really could have done all those spices after I put the black beans in there, but it's just good to do it in the mixture because look, now when you mix it, they're all going to be evenly coated. I'm going to add in about 50 ml. You can see it's not even that much water. I just pour that over the beans and then pull down any spices that are like left on the side. And then I add in some seasoning. You can use like fajita mix, you can use nutritional yeast, whatever you want to give that cheesy flavor. Hell, you can even throw Fiesta cheese in here and it would be great. You don't need that much, probably about 1 tablespoon. The next step is optional. I like using a really spicy hot sauce just for that extra kick. I'm using Da Bomb. If you've watched Hot Ones, this one is featured on there, and I just literally give it a drop. So Bear with me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And the last and final step is taking a lime or a lemon. I use about half a lime or lemon. It doesn't matter which one I use. I always use half. And I just press that into the mixture. Hang on, actually I forgot to add something very important. I'm actually adding coriander and cumin powder, which is Dhana Jeeru if you're Gujarati. I add about 2 spoons. This is absolutely the best in the beans. It just adds such a deep flavor. So I'm going to quickly add that in before the mixture thickens and it can absorb into the beans as well. I was like, something's missing. What was missing? It was this. So I'm glad I remembered so I could show you guys. Alright guys, so I just quickly put my bowl together so I can show you. I have the beans here ready and then I just sprinkled some Fiesta cheese on top. I have a dollop of sour cream and then some lemon and cilantro rice right there. I don't really like lettuce, so I always replace it with spinach. And then I have salsa, some tomatoes, jalapenos in there, and cucumbers, which I know you can skip if you really want to. Right here I have green peppers. This is actually one of our favorite meals to have. This works great if you're doing like burritos. The beans turn out really, really good for it too. Yeah, so I think that's it from me. I'm really hungry, so we are ready to dig in. If you enjoyed this recipe or are looking to try it out, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you want to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!